Hello friends, this is my YouTube video about homemade NEEM pack for pimples. At first, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos and click the bell icon. Ingredients for this face pack are 1 spoon neem leaf dust, 1 spoon raw neem leaf paste with rose water, half spoon chandan paste, 4 to 5 drops astringent, half spoon lacto calamine, 4 to 5 drops honey. Neem leaf can reduce acne caused by bacteria and blackheads. It keeps skin moisturized. Boiled neem water is a great toner. Astringent helps to minimize pores and drying up oily skin. It helps to remove bacteria and prevent skin from bacterial infections. Lacto calamine helps to get rid from skin problems like damage from the sun, wounded skin, etc. Chandan paste can help to get rid from acne, scars and blackheads. Rose water can reduce the redness of irritated skin, get rid from acne, dermatitis, eczema. Rose water can heal scars. Honey is naturally antibacterial and it is extremely moisturizing and soothing. For that, it can help to glow skin and great for acne treatment. Now, take all the ingredients as per ratio and mix it very well. Do not forget that the ratio is very important for all packs to get best result. Now apply this pack on your face and keep it for 15 minutes. After that, wash it with normal water. Use this face pack once in a day to get best result. Thank you for watching my video.